When a man was consulting him how he should persuade his brother to cease being angry with him, Epictetus replied, "Philosophy does not promise to secure for a man any external thing. If it did, or if it were not, as I say, philosophy would be allowing something which is not within its province. For as the carpenter's material is wood, and that of the statuary is copper, so the matter of the art of living is each man's life. When then is my brother's? That again belongs to his own art. But with respect to yours, it is one of the external things, like a piece of land, like health, like reputation. But philosophy promises none of these. In every circumstance I will maintain, she says, the governing part conformable to nature. Whose governing part? His in whom I am, she says. How then shall my brother cease to be angry with me? Bring him to me, and I will tell him. But I have nothing to say to you about his anger. When the man who was consulting him said, I seek to know this. How, even if my brother is not reconciled to me, shall I maintain myself in a state conformable to nature? Nothing great, said Epictetus, is produced suddenly, since not even the grape or the fig is. If you say to me now that you want a fig, I will answer to you that it requires time. Let it flower first, then put forth fruit, and then ripen. Is then the fruit of a fig tree not perfected suddenly and in 1 hour? And would you possess the fruit of a man's mind in so short a time and so easily? Do not expect it, even if I tell you.